Today on Learning with Lisa, we'll use order of operations to solve number sentences without exponents. Order of operations just means we're going to do our operations in a certain order. I have a mnemonic device that helps me remember the order. It's a saying, which is, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That stands for PEMDAS. Some people just like to say PEMDAS. These letters tell me all the operations that I need to do in the order that I need to do them. P is for parentheses, E, exponents, M for multiply, D, divide, A, add, and S, subtract. I'll do every one of these operations in that order to solve my number sentence. First number sentence is 8 plus, and in parentheses, 4 plus 6, divided by 5, times 2. I'll write PEMDAS in the corner to help me remember what I'm doing. Alright, P is for parentheses, and I have something in parentheses, so I'm going to do that first. That is the first operation I will perform to solve my number sentence. 4 plus 6 is 10. Everything else needs to come down. 8 comes down, plus comes down, 4 plus 6 I already used, divided by comes down, 5 comes down, times, and 2. Alright, I've used all of my operations in parentheses, so I'm done with that step. E is for exponents, I have none today, so I'm done with that step. Multiplication and division. We do those in a group, moving from left to right. So whichever one comes first, moving left to right in my number sentence, that's the one I'll do first. In this number sentence, division comes first. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Everything else will come down now. 8 comes down, the plus comes down. 10 divided by 5 I already used. Times comes down, and 2 comes down. I still have a multiplication in my problem, so I'm not done with that part yet. 2 times 2 is 4. Everything else will now come down. 8 comes down, the plus comes down. I have no more multiplication and division, so I'm done with those. Addition and subtraction, just like multiplication, are in a group, moving from left to right. Right now I only have 1, so I'll take care of that. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now I have solved my number sentence. The answer is 12. I'm done with addition and subtraction. I'll do 2 more number sentences today. The next one is 20 minus 4 times 5 plus 5. I'll write PEMDAS in the corner to help me remember my order of operations. P is for parentheses. I have none, so I'm done with that step. E is for exponents. I have none, so I'm done with that step. Multiplication and division come together in a group, moving left to right. Moving left to right in my number sentence, I do have a multiplication. This dot here means multiplication, or times. So I'll do that one first. 4 times 5 is 20. I'll bring down everything else. This 20 comes down. This minus comes down. 4 times 5 I already used. Plus comes down. The 5 comes down. And now I'm ready to check what my next step will be. I don't have any more multiplication or division, so I'm done with those. Addition and subtraction come in a group, moving from left to right. The first one in this number sentence is subtraction. 20 minus 20 is 0. I'll bring everything else down, my plus and my 5. Now I have only one thing left, addition, so I'll take care of that. 0 plus 5 is 5, and my answer is 5. Done with addition and subtraction. One more number sentence. This one is 24 minus 2, in parentheses, 28 minus 8 divided by 5 plus 2. Write PEMDAS in the corner. Now we can begin. Parentheses. I do have parentheses. 28 minus 8 is 20. 24 comes down, minus 2. Uh-oh, I don't have an operation here. But I know that if I have a parenthesis and a number outside the parenthesis, it means multiply. So I will put a times symbol there, telling me I need to multiply. I already used my 28 minus 8, divided by 5, plus, and 2. All right. I don't have any more parentheses, so I'm done with parentheses. Have no exponents, done with exponents. Multiplication and division in a group, moving left to right. Moving left to right, oh, multiplication. 2 times 20 is 40. Bring everything else down. 24 minus, I use those, divided by 5 plus 2. All right, any more multiplication or division? Yes, here's one. 40 divided by 5 is 8. I'll bring everything else down. 24 minus plus and 2. I don't have any more multiplication or division, so I'm done with that step. Addition and subtraction come together in a group, moving left to right. My first one is subtraction. 24 minus 8 is 16. If you can't do that one in your head, you can always go to the side. 24 minus 8. Let's see, 4 minus 8 I can't do. I need to regroup. This will become a 1. This will become a 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. And my 1 minus nothing is 1. So I get 16. Alright, so 24 minus 8 is 16. Bring down my plus and bring down my 2. Still on addition and subtraction, I have one more to do. 16 plus 2 is 18. So the answer is 18. Thank you for watching Learning with Lisa today. You can subscribe to my channel at Learning with Lisa.